Philadelphia was an amazing show. We stayed pretty busy at the booth. There was a lot of people that came by. It was crazy on how many people attended this show. We had a great experience. Philadelphia has so much history.
Oh, it's 3.
Check it out. Like, I want food. We don't got any food.
I'm gonna hit the bait.
We walked into a few cathedrals. As well as the Rocky Steps, the famous Rocky Steps.
I think so.
Let's race?
Mikey, you want to race?
I'm good on that one. Oh shit, there's more! Oh shit.
We flew the drone probably in areas we may not have been allowed to, but we still did. The city seems like it has a lot to offer. There's a lot of mom and pop restaurants, stores, and stuff like that. So we didn't see too much like box chain places. So the Philadelphia Arts Convention, it was pretty good. There were so many artists there, so many booths. So Friday I made it a point to walk by as many booths as I possibly could. I believed I stopped at almost every booth. There was 980 booths, which there's about 2 artists per booth. So yeah, it was a massive show. It took me from about 2 p.m. till around 9:30, maybe 10:30, just to make it from one end of the convention to the other.
Shit.
Yeah!
Oh, you're the one who took my wood card. Thank you. I got it. Business cards. Security is looking for you.
We were able to go out a few of the nights, out to eat and stuff, and we hit up Fogo de Chao twice. So it was cool. It definitely satisfied my hunger. All right, today's day 2 of the Philadelphia Convention. So I'm just getting set up right now. I'm working on a back piece right now with a couple cherubs.
Doing an owl with the birthday, the time of my client's daughter, time of born.
For the crew that we brought out, you know, it was one of our guys' first time. It was a cool experience seeing how excited Mike was for his first show that he's actually working, that he actually tattooed at. So the guys got to do some cool pieces and stuff, and Miguel killed it.
And we're at day 2 in Philly. Just finished up with this custom lettering. Respect and love of my client right here.
Put my seatbelt back on. I have to improvise a little bit. They cut the lights out on us. Big L was able to do a really cool piece too. An hourglass with some Smile Now Cry Later images on the inside. We actually entered one of the contests on Saturday. I forgot all about that. One of my clients that came in from Texas has a piece that I did on him about 8 years ago. And he was like, hey, do you want me to enter? And I'm like, yeah, why not? Let's see what happens, you know? And we ended up taking second place, medium, black and gray. I guess there's a male category. I don't know why they split up the males from the females, but Sunday was another amazing day. I normally don't do fillers, but I had my client, they hit me up. You know, he's been tattooed in our studio a couple times, and he has some really good work from some amazing collectors like Steve Butcher, you know, and Boris. He has some work from Robert Foe as well as Ivano Natali. So I was able to, you know, tie a few of his pieces in by adding this filler on the top of his shoulder. We did the skull with like this bony texture flow that cuts through the face. So The gap wasn't very big. There was a really small section that I had to work with that didn't have any ink in it. There was an area that I needed to cover, so luckily enough, my good friend Nico Hurtado was there with his company, Revolution Ink. So I was able to go to his booth and pick up a bottle of classic gray, which was perfect for what I needed to do, you know. Miguel still was able to do several tattoos, taking a glass tattoo like maybe an hour before the show was over. We killed it. We came out here, we represented, we networked, hung out and socialized with everybody. So it was a really good show.